A civil authority has issued blue alert for the following counties or areas. Texas, at 8:03 p.m. on July 9th, 2025, effective until 8:03 p.m. July 10th, 2025. Blue alert. Suspect is Benjamin Song, wanted for involvement in the serious injury of a law enforcement officer. Song is a 32-year-old Asian male last seen in Alvarado, Texas. Call the Federal Bureau of Investigation tipline with information. If seen, call 911.
Civil authorities have issued a blue alert for all of Texas, effective until July 11, 2009, 01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Blue alert. Suspect is Benjamin Song, wanted for involvement in the serious injury of a law enforcement officer. Song is a 32-year-old Asian male last seen in Alvarado, Texas. Call the Federal Bureau of Investigation tipline with information. If seen, call 911.